Hi. In this video, our essay topic is related to international travel, and our essay prompt is International travel makes people prejudiced rather than broad-minded. What are its causes and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? So I have underlined some important words. First, look at this introduction. It is irrefutable that international tourism has taken mammoth dimensions. So this is a general statement, and for international travel, I have written international tourism here. And you can also write foreign travel. So international travel, foreign travel, and international tourism, these are synonyms. And also you can say topic related vocabulary words. Unfortunately, sometimes international tourism creates tension rather than understanding between people from different cultures. So look at this paraphrasing. Instead of writing prejudiced, we are writing creates tension. These are synonyms here. They both have the same meaning here. क्योंकि अगर आप repetition करेंगे exactly the same statement as in the essay prompt, अगर आप यही words repeat करेंगे, then it would not be good for your bands because you have to use synonyms or topic related vocabulary words, or you have to write any statement which have the same meaning as in the essay prompt. So prejudice and creates tension, they both have the same meaning. And instead of writing broad-minded, we are writing understanding. Broad-minded के लिए you can also write liberal, tolerant, open-minded, or receptive. So sometimes international tourism creates tension, means prejudiced, rather than understanding, broad-minded, between people from different cultures. So this is how paraphrasing has been done. So in this essay I intend to dwell, so हम क्या आगे बताने लगे हैं essay में, ये इस तरह से हमने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो क्लोज कर दिया. नाउ फर्स्ट बॉडी पैराग्राफ. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट reason why some are opposed to international tourism is that tourists may unknowingly show disrespect for local culture. And you can also use these words for international travel. पहले हमने डिस्कस किए थे इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल, फॉरेन ट्रैवल, इंटरनेशनल टूरिज्म, एंड यू कैन राइट ट्रैवल अब्रॉड, इंटरनेशनल टूर, ग्लोबल ट्रैवल और ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड. These all verbs, these orange words, all have the same meaning. For instance, आप कोई भी एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं from your own personal experience, from your own country or whatever. For instance or for example लिख के आप कोई भी दे सकते हैं. Okay, for prejudice, you can also write biased, make partial. These are synonyms for this word prejudiced. Moreover, the tourist dollar may not helping the local people. We all know that tourists stay in 5 star hotels and enjoy the best facilities. तो ये हमने reasons बताने दोनों body paragraphs में. This is the first body paragraph, this is the second, and these two paragraphs are about the reasons. Whatever reasons comes to your mind, you have to write them in your own words by using these topic related vocabulary words and synonyms. Okay, so now third body paragraph, this is about the solution, because we have to write how to solve this problem. So the solutions are not simple. We cannot discourage tourism. It is the backbone of many economies of the world. First of all, the tour operators should take the onus of guiding the tourists about the main things of local culture. Secondly, the tourists should stay with locals as paying guests. This would be a win-win situation for both. Local people would earn and the tourists would taste the local culture. And finally, first of all, then secondly, and now finally, ecotourism should be promoted. For example, then give your own example, okay, from your own experience. If an elephant ride is possible, the tourist should avoid using car. So इस तरह से pollution कम होगी. तो जो problems है उनका solution होना चाहिए. Now, conclusion, summing up, international tourism does have a downside to it, but many steps can be taken to lessen the negative effects. So this is all for this essay. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments.